What's up, everybody? Everything you have to know, you have to understand about nature. You have to watch out for snakes and stuff, but when you looking at snakes and say a creek bed, you have to be careful for some water moccasins and creeks, everything. So you have to be very careful where you're going and everything. So a lot of stuff you have to be careful around, and stuff like creek beds. No, you have to be careful, watch out where you step at, and be careful for poison ivy. Make it itch a lot in the woods. So it's a good place to go. And a lot of bugs and stuff like that. Mosquitoes, fleas and ticks, wolves, bobcats, and deer, and wild hogs. So you have to be very careful around here. Everything. So be very careful out in the woods. I kinda know. I live out in the woods. Peaceful and quiet. Everything. Now what you see behind me. See? You have to be careful.